Hey Tridib, how's it going?
Hey Bhagya, I'm not great at all. I have my operating system's final exam tomorrow, and I have to go through 30 different lecture slides, and I'm just not ready. There are so many things I need to find answer from, and I think I'm gonna fail tomorrow.
Well, it's in situations like these that I would study smarter instead of harder.
Oh, what did you send me? CourseChat? What is this?
It's a Chrome extension I built that will be very helpful in your situation. Why don't you take a look at it?
Okay, sure. What does it do actually?
You can upload your PDFs from the course, ask it whatever you want to ask it, and it will give you answers based on the information from the course slides on any topic you want. No web search, no hallucinations, just your course material. The best studying tool ever.
Ooh, let me try this out.
Okay, first add your free Gemini API key.
Okay. Okay, just add the key.
Pretty quick, right? Only 10 seconds. So
Yeah.
This is a RAG engine, and now just start uploading PDFs and asking questions.
Ooh, that's cool. Let me try chapter 1 PDF. Here we go. Okay, from chapter 1, let me ask this question. What are the key functionalities of an operating system? Oh, that's pretty good. Where is it coming from? It's coming from chapter 1, page 30. Oh, look at this.
There you go, man.
Yep.
Directly from the course slides, directly from any PDF you upload.
What is this? Voice typing.
Put your cursor in the text box and press Windows and H to start recording.
Let me ask this. What is the difference between cache hit and miss? Oh, look at this answer. It's also grabbing from chapter 1, page 19. Let me go to page 19. Oh, this is correct. Let me try all my files. And let me ask different questions from different chapters. Why don't I ask a big question? Let's see.
Let's see what it says.
Oh, yeah, that is a big question.
A lot of citations as well.
Yeah, let's verify. Chapter 2, page 23. Oh, look at this. Carbon copy.
Yeah, carbon copy indeed, bro. And as if that wasn't enough, you can also copy answers from the extension. Yep, like that.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Let me see how the formatting. Oh, that's exactly so professional.
Just another carbon copy. And yeah, if you do that, look what you can listen to the answers being read aloud.
Oh, let me try this.
Here are the types of system calls based on your course materials.
Oh, that's cool.
And you can also toggle between dark and light mode. If you go right there, yeah, to your own convenience. Really? And you can delete chats and or files individually.
Oh, I can delete what I don't need. That's awesome. How does it work under the hood?
So we built the extension using Chrome Manifest version 3. We used PDF JavaScript for text extraction and Gemini 2.5 Flashlight for text generation, all for a grand total of $0 using your free API key. And we used Backboard for the AI memory backend so that it remembers course context across sessions.
That's great. Any limitations?
Right now, it's best for text-based content, so no OCR yet, so only PDF uploads are being supported by the extension. So any handwritten notes or diagrams won't be picked up, unfortunately. But computer vision for diagrams, PowerPoints, and Word docs are on our roadmap.
Man, that's literally a lifesaver. I hope you actually implement them in future.
Well, I suppose that's enough praise for one night. Why don't you go ahead and study now? Yeah, I'm happy chatting with CourseChat.